Hello guys, today in this video we are going to learn how to say go, goes and went in Saudi Arabic. For example, if you want to tell someone that you go to the bank every month, you can say أنا أروح للبنك كل شهر. The word أروح means I go. Also, if you want to ask your friend that's a girl, do you go to the beach often, you can say أنتِ تروحين للبحر كثير. Or a guy أنت تروح للبحر كثير. For other conjugation, he goes هو يروح, she goes هي تروح, they go هم يروحون, we go احنا نروح. Now in the past tense, if you want to say I went is أنا رحت. For example, I went to work late yesterday. أنا رحت الدوام متأخر أمس. Also, if you want to say I went there twice last week, أنا رحت هناك مرتين الأسبوع الماضي. For other conjugation, he went هو راح, she went هي راحت, they went هم راحوا, we went احنا رحنا. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.